Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin and today we're going to dive into one of the easiest way to build your website using WordPress. Whether you are creating a blog, business site or online store, WordPress has got you covered. So if you have been thinking about launching your first website, stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how to set up a WordPress site in no time. And don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful and subscribe for more tech tutorials. So let's get started. So first, let's answer the question, what exactly is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system or CMS that helps you create your website without needing to write any code. Think of it as a toolkit that lets you build a blog, a business site or even a full e-commerce store. It's beginner friendly and best of all, it's free. More than 40% of all websites on the internet are powered by WordPress. You will see it used by big brands, small businesses, bloggers, and everyone in between. Now that you know what WordPress is, let's get into the fun part. We are going to set up WordPress. Before you can install WordPress, you will need two things, a domain name and web hosting. Your domain is your website's address on the internet, for example, code-crashers.com. This is the official website of Code Crashers channel, and you can check it out if you want. And hosting is where your website's files are stored. For this tutorial, I will be using HostingAir, which is super affordable and offers 24/7 support. To get started, head over to HostingAir, and I will leave the link of this website in the video description, where you can get a referral code and you can get up to 75% off of hosting and website builder. If you are just starting over, I suggest you to go with the premium. It's only going to be $299 a month and you will get 2 months free. And also you will get a domain with a value of $9.99, as you can see. You will get WordPress, website builder and 100 gigabytes SSD of storage. Go with premium as it's great for beginners and it comes with a free domain for the first year. So once you have selected your plan, just follow the step to register your domain. You will get to choose your domain name here. Make sure to pick something memorable and relevant to your site. Now that you have purchased your hosting plan, you need to log in to your HostingAir dashboard. So here we are on HostingAir dashboard. As you can see, we have the menu here where we have home, websites, domains, and other stuff for you. So you'll have building and everything you need in this menu here. So what you need to do is head over to websites. And here you are going to select add a website. So here you will have some options. You will have the WordPress where you can install WordPress and make a new website, or you can use HostingAir website builder, which is AI powered, or you can create a empty PHP HTML website where you can import your own files. For example, you can host a HTML and PHP website that you have built it in your local host, or you can migrate the website from, let's say for example you have in another hosting, you can import it here to HostingAir. So for this video we are going to select the WordPress, and what you need to do is click on WordPress, and this will head you over to another window. So here you will have to create login details for WordPress account, and I'm going to leave this as default, where is my email address and administrator password. If you want, you can change this password, and all you have to do is to remember it so you can use it in the future. So here click on next. So what type of website do you want to build? For this tutorial, we are going to choose a blog website, and you'll have to select the blog. But if you are building an online store or portfolio or business and services, you can select the type of the website that you want to build. So click on next. So here you will have the option to select from pre-built websites. So you will have some themes here. So pre-built website template are ready to go sites that you can quickly customize and fit it to your brands and needs. For example, you can choose all this and you can change the content of the website, for example, and you'll have a ready website in less than a few hours, for example. For this tutorial, we're going to select this one, Creative 80. As you can see, it's a simple template, and we're going to choose use this template. So after doing this, Hostinger will show you a window with recommended blog plugins. For example, you're going to have all-in-one SEO, which is going to help you with the website SEO so you can rank up on search. Also, you have UP forms that you can use for subscribe forms or contact forms. Google Sitekit that will help you to record your analytics and analyze your website traffic. And these are the most important, for example, but we are going to add a few more plugins later. So here you are going to click on next, and here you will have the opportunity to select your domain. I already have used my free domain, so I don't have a domain here. But what I'm going to do, and if you don't want to use your free domain for this tutorial, you can use temporary domain. So you can select temporary domain, then Hostinger will provide you a link. So click on use temporary domain, and Hostinger is going to install WordPress. Once the installation is done, you will get login credentials for the WordPress dashboard, also known as the backend of your website. So here we are again on Hostinger dashboard on the website dashboard, and to access your WordPress you are going to click on admin panel. Also, I have a video on how to install WordPress and add a subdomain on your WordPress website. It's a more detailed video. If you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the video description. So we need to go to admin panel. So here we are on the WordPress dashboard. Here you can control everything about your site, from posts and pages to settings and plugins. On the left, you will have your main menu when you can access all these different areas. We will explore these sections in more detail as we go along, but first, let's get your site looking good with a theme. So to do that, you need to go to Appearance, Themes, and here we will have Astra as active because we selected the pre-built template on the first when we were installing WordPress. So if you want to know how your website looks, click on Visit. So this is how our website looks for now. And also here at Appearance, if you want to change your template, you will have Starter Templates. So here on the menu you will also have plugins, and plugins add extra functionality to your site, and there are thousands of them available for free. Whether you want to improve your site security, optimize for SEO, or add social sharing buttons, there is a plugin for that. So what we need to install for this tutorial, we are going to plugins, add new plugin, and we are going to add the Elementor. Search for Elementor, and here you will have Elementor Website Builder. It also comes with pre-built templates, which we are going to choose after installing the Elementor plugin. So click on Install Now and click on Activate. Great, now you have added your first plugin, and here at Plugins you will see the list of added plugins. And as you can see, we have starter templates, and to access that we need to go to Starter Templates at Appearance, click on Starter Templates, and here choose Classic Starter Templates, and here you can choose the type of website that you are building. For example, we are building a blog website, and here you will have some extra template that you can choose from. So we are going to stick to the We Are Creative 80. It's a great template and it's customizable with Elementor, and here you can also change the colors. So now that we have a template, we have a theme, what we need to do is to change the content of the website. So here, what you can do, you can customize the menu, for example, and to do that, go to customize on your site. And in this customizer, you can adjust everything from the site title to your color scheme, header, and more. So as you can see, you can change the title here. For example, we can change this to blog. So here we have the logo. You can change the logo and remove it. Also, you can change the site title and everything. You can change the menu here, and you can configure the menu from here, which, as you can see, is the primary menu, and you can configure it here. Another plugin that we need to add is going to be the Yoast SEO, which is the best plugin, free plugin for SEO. Search for Yoast SEO and click on install now. And click on activate. And once installed, these plugins will appear in your dashboard and you can configure them to suit your needs. Now that our theme and plugins are set up, let's add some content. WordPress has two main content types, pages and posts. Pages are for static content like your homepage and your about page, while posts are typically for blog articles. So to add a new page, go to pages and click on add new page. Here you will see the Gutenberg editor, which allows you to build your pages using blocks. Let's add a heading, some text, and an image to our home page. The page title is going to be blog, and we need to add some text, and this is going to be the page for blogs. So after doing this, you can also here at the bottom you can add SEO. You can add your focus key phrase, for example, and this will improve your SEO and your ranking on Google. So after doing this, after adding the title, you can click on publish, and here you have your first page on your website. So we added our blog page, and we need to configure this, and we need to go again to our WordPress dashboard, and we need to go to settings and reading. So here you will have your home page, and which is a home is a static page. You will have to select a static page, and for the post page we are going to select blog. So whenever we add a post, the post is going to show on the blog page. So here you can also adjust the blog pages to show at most, and you can show it up to 10 posts. I have selected to 10 posts. And also you can select if you want to show full text or if you want to show just a short paragraph of your blog. Click on save changes, and we have added our blog page as a default blog for the post page. So after doing this, we need to create a post which is going to be similar as the page that we added. So here at the menu you'll see post, and you can select add new post. And for the title we are going to select we are going to type my first post at this plus icon here. You can add, for example, a paragraph, and here you can type this is, and also here after adding this you can also add images and other elements that you can explore here. So we are going to add an image, and also here you are going to have a media library and free images to use. Click on select, and here you have added your first image. So after editing your blog, you can click on publish, and you have added your first blog post. You can also add categories and tags to keep your content organized. Once you have added your content, there are a few final customizations you can make, like setting up your navigation menu under appearance and adding widgets to your sidebar and footer. So here on your website, for example, if you want to customize the page, you can click on edit page, and here you can change the content on your page. Also, you will have the opportunity to edit the page with Elementor, and you can click on this one and it will take you to the Elementor website builder. So here you will have an easy user interface to edit your page. Also, you will have some extra blocks that you can add to your page. So it will be more simple to change the content from here. As you can see, you will have this edit pen and you can change the content on the site. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, make sure to like the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, you can leave a comment in the comment section what would you like to see next on this channel. You will find helpful links in the video description below, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.